Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting surfaces and your hands. Put on gloves and position a microfiber cloth under the sticker to catch glue. Use a heat gun or hair dryer on medium heat and aim about 6-8 inches away for 15-20 seconds to soften the adhesive. This reduces scraping force. Once the adhesive softens, slide a plastic scraper under a corner and slowly lift. Lift at a low angle to avoid gouging the floor. Make sure to reheat if resistance increases. Now focus on the sticky residue. You should apply warm soapy water or a diluted vinegar solution to the area and let it soak for 1 to 2 minutes so the adhesive loosens. This prevents abrasive scraping. Then use the plastic scraper in a gentle circular motion and wipe frequently with the microfiber cloth to collect softened glue. If spots persist, apply a small amount of citrus-based adhesive remover. Wait 2 to 3 minutes until tackiness reduces, and repeat the scraping and wiping cycle. Finish by rinsing the floor with clean water and drying with a fresh microfiber cloth to remove any cleaning residue and to prevent moisture damage. Once dry, inspect the finish. If it looks dull, buff gently or apply a floor-appropriate polish to restore shine and protection. If adhesive removal needed stronger solvents, make sure you tested them in an inconspicuous spot first. If the finish is compromised, stop and consult a professional rather than risking further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.